All right, I didn't even have my microphone on. Good morning, good morning. NQ's in a long here. I'm trying to center this. I had a hectic morning, good session with the students, but my box on NinjaTrader won't show up. Also, gold took a $4,000 long. $4,000. One mini. My profit box won't show up, which is real annoying. All right, we gotta stretch this out. Cool. Okay. So I was trying to fix that, but then it was already so late. So we're guaranteed green on this NQ long. I need to get on TikTok. All right, green 800 here. I need to get on TikTok. Let me do that really quickly. I don't think I'm going to have a box. Shit, don't take me out. I was trying to get on my phone to see if I could fix the issue. But I couldn't. Green, $900 here. Jeez Louise. Because I like getting, obviously we don't always have this kind of action, so I like getting this on the stream. But this morning, and this morning was fine earlier, it was just when this box stopped showing up, so I tried to extend, like the NinjaTrader home box is not showing up. Like I see it at the bottom, but I can't actually see it. So here we are, green, $1,000 on this NQ long. Really, really nice. $1,100 on this NQ long here, guys, on pink. $1,400 on the long of NQ pink here. Guys, this is huge. Huge. We just hit this level. This is exactly why we run Scalper on days like this. $1,400. $1,400. Thanks, Jen, for sharing the stream. I appreciate it. Good morning, everyone. We are in this long of the NASDAQ. Sorry for all my typing. I'm typing in the group with my 245 members who are currently in this trade. One of them got out early for $300, so I was scolding him. Gold is flagging for a short here. Also, gold took a $4,000 long overnight. Do you see this entry? 1893 at 4:45 a.m. It ran all the way up here and it closed at 1924. Huge, huge trade for gold overnight. Now remember, on this trade, we're guaranteed green with this hard stop loss, but this is also a trailing stop loss, which will trail behind the trade itself. It doesn't get too close, which is nice, so then it doesn't get tagged prematurely. Let's see. Gold is currently in that short, red $40. So we'll see what happens there. Again, my home box is not cooperating. All right. So we're still in this long of NQ. Gold is a safe haven. Yeah, we love gold. Gold is up when yeah, well, we understand that. But the algorithm trades for me, so I don't really need to understand the intricacies of gold to make money off of it. And that's the best thing. When people join my group, they don't have to understand the NASDAQ or the Dow or how gold works with inflation. They just have to be able to turn it on. That's it. You turn it on and you go. Please give a thumbs up. If you're in YouTube, there's 40 of you and there's only 7 thumbs up. If you're in TikTok, please tap the screen. Take your finger, just go tap, 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 tap. So if this trailing stop turns red, it will exit this trade. If it doesn't, then it will let itself continue back up. All right, I got my tea. See how it bounced and it went right back up? This is what I mean. This is why you let the algorithm do its job. It came right down to that trail stop right here, but it didn't turn red. And now, instead of $500, it's back up to $1,000. This is exactly what I'm talking about in the group. Trusting the algorithm. Really, really close there. But if it does come down here and it turns red, it will exit the trade. So futures are actually the best thing to trade. I'm not sure. I think people are told that they have a lot of risks, so they automatically get scared. I think options have more risk than futures in my mind. I always have a stop loss. This is my stop loss, which is guaranteed even. Nope, this is my algorithm. This is called Scalper. I also have range. Range was 100% yesterday. Gold was in a $4,000 long overnight. Now it's in this $250 short. This is all mine. I just trade regular forex currency pairs. Well, that's the same thing then. So you're literally trading essentially the same thing. Just as a heads up, you are. It's the same thing. You buy or you sell, and there's risks if on both ends. How long have you been? Okay, this has been mine since 2020. How long have you been using this bot? I have like 7 different bots, and I've had mostly all of them since 2020, 2021. I made 2 new ones this year. No, what do you mean my logo? My logo is also mine. People try to impersonate me and then scam you into crypto. I don't trade crypto. I don't trade forex. I don't trade any of that. My logo I had created from some girl on Discord. It's mine. I own the rights to it. So if someone is using my logo, then
order submitted.
I could get my lawyer to send them a letter. I do not sell the bot. I lease the bot.
Order filled.
I do not sell it. So nobody else would be using it without being one of my members. So let me write that down so I can look this person up and see if I need to send them a legal letter. Carter, why don't you check that out for me? All right, it hit break-even offset. Obviously, you could have moved up your stop loss at any time, but I am doing 100% hands-free. This is what our 20-minute looks like. We scooped right down, sat on that level, and we did not violate that at all. If you want more information about the bot, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Remember, I will never follow you. I will never message you. I will never send you something on TikTok. Michael, last night went great. Michael, when are you joining the group? Remember, Apex, the sale ends on Tuesday. If you want 80% off of any Apex account, it ends on Tuesday. So
order submitted.
For folks on TikTok, if anyone ever tries to follow you that is perceiving to look like me, it's not me. Heads up. I will never follow you. I will never DM you. I will never message you. I will never talk about crypto. So those are all red flags. If you ever see it, it's not me. So make sure you block and report that person, because there's a whole bunch of impersonators out there trying to steal your money. And that's not cool. So this is, oh, I was going to take a picture of this for my students. We had a really good student call this morning. Let me put this. Thanks, Jen. And you can delete that message. Oh yeah, that looks nothing like mine. No, this is not mine at all. Mine is literally just a little robot head, and my guy has 3 antennas. But that's kind of cute. But yeah, no. Not the same. Okay, let's stop saying the name. How do you pay taxes on the income? So, that's a good question. We're still in this short of gold, so I'm going to move this in front and center. You will get a tax form from your broker. So my broker is NinjaTrader. So NinjaTrader sends me a 1099 at the end of the year, just like any other trading you do. You get a report at the end of the year. Whatever your realized gains were or realized losses, you only pay taxes on the gains. So if over the whole year you made $10,000 total, then you would pay taxes on that. But I have a CPA. I would suggest getting a CPA if you are doing a lot of trading, just to make sure everything is good and clean. Yep, no worries. There are definitely other people that do similar stuff, but these are all mine. Nobody has my stuff, and we do not have the same logo. So, it's all good. It is all good. If you guys have questions, let me know. If you want more information on my algorithms, this is the gold chart right here. I love them. Let me see the gold chart. It's right here. This is gold. I literally just saw that. We had this $4,000 long from 445 last night, right here. Entered at 1893.3. I was asleep. And it just exited at 1924, like right at the market open. If you want to lease my algorithms, you just have to email me and get your stuff set up. Again, Apex is doing a sale through Tuesday, which is 80% off. Apex Trader Funding. I wonder... Santa's doing. Santa's also in a long green 300. This is, it even got longer there. This is the one thing that sucks about my box not working. So Asumu, I don't give my time frames on the free live stream because people like you probably just want to take all of my hard work and just, give it to yourself. So that's a hard no. But thanks for asking. You guys haven't even tapped the screen. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. What's it? It's not on TradingView. Mark, I think you're confused. These are custom made algorithms. They are not indicators. I don't trade using indicators. I think of how I like to trade, what I technically use to trade, and then I create an algorithm based off of that. There's nothing in TradingView that will ever help you become a better trader by using some delayed indicator. And I just told one of my students that. You can't use delayed indicators and think you're actually going to make money. Because we just took the short here at 45, 46. And now it's down at 30. Thanks for the follows. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30, showing you guys the algorithm. Also just kind of giving a glimpse into the group. Thanks, Carter. Gold is still in this short. It might get stopped here for like $300. We'll have to see. What else do I have? What about YM? How's YM doing today? Has it taken any trades? Did I not turn YM on? Oh, damn it. Enable. I'm telling you, all of a sudden the box like went away and then... Okay, sounds good, Lavin. I will be around. Always around. Okay, perfect. How can one use your program and have a full-time job? Because all you have to do is turn it on at night. I don't have to be sitting here right now. I could be sleeping. I could be working. I could be at the gym. I could be driving to work. You don't ever have to be at the computer for the algorithm to do its job. That's how. So the buy's built off... No, I don't have indicators. Oh my god, I feel like the whole point is being missed here. There are no indicators. There's no indicators. I literally say, I trade by seeing this happen, and this happen, and this happen. So I want to have an algo built off of it. And TradingView does not have algos. They do not, because you cannot fully automate trading on TradingView. I think only unless it's for crypto. But again, I don't really care about stuff on TradingView. Those are all indicators. They are all just basic indicators. Oh, moving average. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Like, that's so basic. Go try to use a bot off of 2 moving averages. Let me know how that works out for you. It's not going to work out well. Mark, what are you saying? Yes, I'm getting too many likes from, I think this is that an Eduardo? Or, oh, Kyle, good job. Kyle made about $700 on the day. Jario already made, so Kyle just posted this. Dario just posted this at 9:40. He made $1,600 already. Dante's been killing it. Look at all of his Apex accounts. So he does a trade in one Apex account, and then he uses the copier to copy it to all of the other trades. George already passed 2 Apex accounts. Good job, George. So yesterday, Ebenezer made 505. Chris made 58. I don't know what Patrick had on sim here. I think that was actually mine. Alright, what's going on? Gold is not in anything. It's so hard for me to tell what's happening because I don't have my home box. It's just MIA. It's literally, it's down here, but it won't show up when I click on it. I hired 2 mentors. So like first I hired a mentor that I thought was going to be really good, and he wasn't. And then I hired a second mentor maybe like 6 months later, and he taught me so much stuff. Like, I'm so thankful for him. And yeah, that's how. And now I teach people, and I love to see their growth. Just like Jason taught me, I love to see the growth of other folks. Because I remember him being so excited when I finally got it. Because some of the concepts are a little harder, and it's not like that easy to see right away. The mentorship starts really basic, though. Like, it starts at a very, like, straightforward level. It's 80. Apex is 80% off until Tuesday. Carlos can answer that. Carlos, Carter, Justin, Jagar, they're all in the chat. They are all part of my group. Is Apex a trading platform account? No, it's just a funding account. So if you need a mentor, you should email me and we can talk about my mentorship. Playing with fire. I love teaching. Do you mind sharing your year-to-date gains loss? Yep. I can, if you email me, I can send it to you. My home box won't even pop up right now, so I can't even access anything. Usually I have my home box up here, and then it shows me all my strategies, but for some reason, it's like acting crazy. So after the morning trading, I'm going to just shut down my entire NinjaTrader and then have to reopen it. Thanks, Jen. Jen said Lauren's a great teacher. That's so nice. YM might take a short here. I'll have to see. What's gold doing? Gold, gold, gold. Nice. Do you make money getting people on your team? I don't know what team means, but yes, it's not free to use my services. It's not free to use my auto trading algorithm that makes, you know, $4,000 on one trade. Yesterday, we were 100% on range. We made $725 the day before. We made $1,037, and that's all based off of one contract, one mini contract, which costs either $500 or $1,000. So in your trading account, the minimum that you have to have in there is $2,000 to $3,000. Or again, you could do the Apex option, which is a fully funded trading account, Apex Trader Funding. They're doing an 80% off sale until 6 days left, until Tuesday night. I do not have an affiliation with them. I just think they're a really good company. ApexTraderFunding.com. When they had issues, did you make? Yes, I made all of my algorithms. You go to sign up, and then you have the options to choose here. So the 50K is what most of us do. Typically, it's $167. With the 80% off, it's $36. So $36 for a $50,000 trading account. And you can have up to 20. So I have some members that have 5, 10, 20 accounts. And then they use the copier from one account to just trade off of all of the rest. Hello, nurse. If you get that reference, you could be friends. Kyle, get out of here. Yes, Skeeter, I literally just went through this. I had 2 mentors. Skeeter, I feel like you're in the live, but you don't actually listen. I had my first mentor, which I was excited for, was horrible, taught me nothing. And then my second mentor taught me everything, and he is the reason that I know all the stuff that I know now. Why do people have multiple accounts rather? What does that mean? Rather what? You cannot use MetaTrader with the algorithm, though. If you want to use the auto trading algorithm, then it has to be on NinjaTrader. So your Apex account has to be the Apex that is hooked up with NinjaTrader. Santa's in a short. So again, you cannot use the algorithm on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I'm not even this is so funny. I'm not even trading forex, and he's like, "Oh, forex scammers." Where's the bingo sheet? Where's the bingo sheet? I really wanted to know how much you suggest that the funds are accounts with because of drawdowns. Yeah. Yes, it's 100% hands-free, Nicole. So Lone Perry, can I use Apex? I have no idea. You're going to have to reach out to Apex and ask them if you can use it with MT4. I have no idea. I'm not here to just promote Apex. I'm saying you can use Apex on my algorithm, or if you want to manually trade after learning through my mentorship. But I'm not an Apex whatever spokesperson. Again, I have no affiliation with Apex. We sell NAS now? Well, we're already green $215, $30 in this short, so you do whatever you want to do. That will just help us go down more. No, Kyle, I don't actually want you to leave. Tap the screen if you appreciate the stream. All right, we hit the offset, so $75 there. But I was answering someone else before. Oh, no. So the drawdowns, it's a good question. So I have a $10,000 account to trade minis. The drawdown for all of 2022 was about $5,000. At one point in time, there was a drawdown of $5,000. Obviously, that was after gains, but just to give you a reference. So if you had a $2,000 account and you were trading 1 micro, your biggest drawdown for the whole year would have been $500. Does the Apex funding provide the NinjaTrader? Yes. So that's a really good question. Apex provides your market data and it provides the Ninja subscription to the NinjaTrader platform. So the only thing you have to purchase if you're doing Apex is the Apex account and then the actual algorithm subscription. That's it. Santa's trying to take another short here. On Apex website, it says you cannot use automated bots. Yeah, well, it says that, but, this is not really... I feel like the way that what they're actually talking about is like a third-party type of thing. Like, I know there's companies that do like a third-party copy trading system where it has to go through them and then it goes through Apex. I think they can recognize those and then that's an issue. This is straight up buying and selling in NinjaTrader on a chart. So, I don't know. But I have 245 members and half of them use Apex and pretty much all of them are funded. So, and they've had no problems. So, I don't know. That's all I can really say about that, Andres. Do. Hey, welcome. You're welcome. Sure thing. So Santa had the right idea on this short. We rejected out of the chop zone. This is given to my students every day by like 4 a.m. The yellow line is also given to my students at about 4 a.m. every day. Yes, just email me so you can get more information. boldbotllc@gmail.com. We will see. Tap dance. Oh, Addison, here, say something. Let me find you. Let me scroll up. Hold on. Oh, also, let me make Jen. All right, I was able to update Jen. Maybe TikTok did an update or something. Carter, where are you? Or maybe after a certain amount of days, it just comes off. There you are. Oh, no, it says you're a moderator. Manage moderator access. It says you have access for everything. Block accounts, mute accounts, pin, comments. Also, when you do your post in the morning, Carter, we should be pinning that to the top. Oh, yeah. Let me pin this from... You conquer. Thank you. Yeah, I actually did a typing test the other day and it was 85 words per minute, which was exciting. I'm sad that we didn't get in the short of YM, unless maybe it was already in because I turned it on late. I just checked. Try it again or type out your thing and I'll pin it, Carter. All right, what time is it? It's 10:02. Oh, where are my students? Like Jen called it tap dance. Tap, 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 tap. Yeah, the Apex website has so many videos to help you. Like they are, that's what I'm saying. Apex is, I think, in my mind, the best when it comes to funded programs, for sure. I can do it now. It's different. I think they did an update. Okay, cool. Let me know if you have a problem, Carter. That's why you got to set alarms for these things. I used to set an alarm every day for this one time around the open that I would want to like really pay attention to, and it really helped out. So that's what I think. Set alerts on your chart, set alarms on your phone, whatever you need to do to recognize the trades. I wonder how this is doing. 400. Not bad, not bad. Oh, Santa's in a long. Let's look at that. Santa's in a $400 long. Guaranteed green on this long. 340, 370. So you can see here, I'm only taking one contract. You see the one in the green box? One. I'm taking one contract. It's green, $600 here. $700. I don't have any student sessions today. I'm actually kind of chill today. On what? All right, look at that move up. $975 on this one trade of Santa. Again, this was named Santa because we found it like 2 months before Christmas and it just gives you all the money. Aw, Jeffrey, you're so sweet. We just hit a really strong level. See, this is where the algorithm and the mentorship combine themselves, because you knew if you were a student and you knew about the strong level at 56, you could have easily taken this stop loss and moved it up or exited the position early. Does that make sense? So you have the ability to do that. You don't have to. You could be 100% hands-free. But if you are a student of mine, you could easily be like, oh, it's about to come to this really strong level. I'm going to move my stop loss pretty much all the way up behind it, and I'm going to profit, $900 or whatever it might have been. What's the poop for, Kyle? All right. We are moving and grooving. It's 10:06 a.m. So the bot can pass the challenge on Apex? Yes, it can pass the challenge on Apex, and it can continue with a funded account and continue trading for you on a funded account. Both of the Like, that's exactly what I was showing here a minute ago. Like Dante. These are all apex. All apex. George passed another 2 apexes early this morning or last night, 12:24 a.m. This is all apex. Where's Tom? Tom has a bunch. Darren has a bunch. Mike has has 3. Carlos has a bunch. There's Dante again. Where's Tom? Tom posted. There's Tom. Tom has a bunch of Apex accounts. You can see all the totals are the same because he just does a copier. Like, he'll copy one account and then all of these accounts have the same trade. And then he'll copy another account and all of them have the same trade. You can also do fractals. We're still in this long of Santa. $1,000. Moving, grooving. My back, I like pulled something in my shoulder blade the other day. Remember, Apex is only doing their sale until Tuesday. So you have 6 days to get, if you're going to use Apex, to get the Apex sale. Otherwise, look at this rejection here. Y'all, this is why the chop zone is so important. Do you see this? Do you see this? Where's my little, oh. I forgot I'm not on TD Ameritrade. Do you see this? Do you see this little boxy box? It's important. How's Santa doing? Santa took profit there at 12,238. I'm going to just add you cash. I don't know why he does that sometimes when people come back. Slack doesn't add them back to all of the regular channels like they should. They don't allow you to lose the $50,000. That I feel like, Skeeter, you just need to go on their website and do a little bit of research. It is a $50,000 account, but you still have a drawdown. They don't allow you to lose more than your drawdown, which is $2,500. If you lose $2,500, they lock up the account, and then it's no more. That's it. This is NinjaTrader. It has to be, you have to be on NinjaTrader. So again, that's what you're going to, if you get the Apex account, it will cover the NinjaTrader. I was going to reply to, okay, I was able to reply to him. Cool, Steven. Very good, very good. Yeah, it's nasty. Does that mean Apex 50K is $33? Yes. It's $36 right now, 80% off. Save 80, go to Apex. ApexTraderFunding.com. I'm going to put it on the screen. Again, I don't have an affiliation with them. I just think they're a really good company. Apex, A-P-E-X, TraderFunding.com. My keyboard loves getting abused. And it's supposed to be clicky like that. It's 10:12. Again, if you're new here, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, so you guys can see the auto trading algorithm at work. Not in anything here. Did YM ever take? Nope. I think because I didn't turn it on until late. Gold's not in anything, not in any trades right now. I'll definitely check this out. Yep. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. You guys in TikTok just hear the keyboard a lot more because you're sitting right above my keyboard. Nicole, I always say the $50,000 account. Jack, that needs to be put in an Apex conversation. Not here, please. We have a whole channel for Apex. If the sale is still going on, you could just get a new account. $36 account. Instead of a reset. So yeah, we really like the $50,000 account. That's what most are using. I wonder how far up that went though. All right. Market might be moving back down. We will see. It is 10:15. Yeah. Has crossed the list of this video. What? What? Crossed the listed. What does that mean, Jen? This week after that. Oh, what? They traded after the fact? After the window? I'm not going to tell you what state I'm in. That's just so creepy. What? You've been on my stream before, and I think you asked that before. That's so weird. This is NinjaTrader. Again, you have to use NinjaTrader. I can't have my little box up because my NinjaTrader home box is MIA at the moment. The thing that interested me the most about trading, I don't know, I really like numbers, and my grandmother would always talk about it, so she kind of got me into it. The great state of mind. But yeah, the freedom, the flexibility, the money, obviously. But it can be stressful for sure. If you're a full-time trader, it's not easy. Like, when people will join and they do well for the first month, they're like, oh, I'm quitting my job. I'm like, no, don't quit your job. Because your psyche changes so much from having a job to kind of be like your main income. And and when you trade, obviously you're just trading with play money and it's fun, you know, it's real money, but it's much less stressful. If you're doing it full time, it becomes so much more stressful, and then you start changing things that you're doing while you trade, and it's just not good. So don't do that. No, I haven't. LOL. I asked state, not your address. Calm down. Well, I'm still not telling you my state, Joey Garcia. You're probably in New Jersey. Was that stereotypical? Just because I'm Central Time and market just opened. The market did not just open, Joey. Number one, we're trading futures. The futures market has been open since 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time last night. No one said we were trading stocks. Sharwar, are you even listening? I said NinjaTrader about 75 times. Jen or Carter or Mark, can you please reply to Sharwar and tell them it's NinjaTrader, because I've literally answered this question like 15 times. I'm in Houston, Texas. Cool. Point being, the stock market opens at 9:30. I think everybody knows that. It's 10:18. It's almost been an hour. Secondly, I trade futures. The futures market is open 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. Therefore, my market has been open since 6 p.m. last night. Good job, James. James is reciting one of the mantras that I tell my students. NinjaTrader 8. Good job, Skeeter. Skeeter's listening. That's a good question, Dees. So I would probably say half and half. So I currently have 247 members. I would say half of them, and not necessarily they're more hands-on with the algorithm, and then half of them are 100% at a job all day where they can't look at it, they can't touch it, they can't see updates. Like, I have a good amount, like maybe not a good amount, I probably have like 5 or 10 people in my group that are truck drivers, like, so they're driving a tractor trailer all day long, and they post their results when they get to their stop for the night. So like this one guy, David, I'll show you because he posted yesterday. This is David, and he has his truck as his picture. So this is David, just shut down for the night in Houston, MNQ and MES range. He made $400, almost $368 yesterday while driving his tractor trailer. This is his tractor trailer, and him standing in front of it. So there are people that are 100% hands off. This is not a stock. I trade futures only. I don't trade anything but no. Is WTI a type of oil? I trade crude oil. Anyway, so like people like him are 100% hands off. He turns it on at night. You know, he goes to bed, he wakes up, he does his route, and then he checks his stuff at the end of the day. So I probably have half the people like that. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Oil needs to drop back down to like 1900. Let's put a fib on this long move that happened and see where we might get a retracement to. Well, it already did 23%. 50% would be 1915. 1907 would be 61%. That wouldn't be bad. I would like that. Thanks for the likes. We're not in any trades right now. I'm probably going to wrap it up soon. It's 10:21. Again, if you want more information on the algorithms or my mentorship, just email me, BoldBot. I learned to trade from my grandmother originally, but then I learned futures and technical analysis from the 2 mentors that I hired. The first mentor was horrible. The second mentor was amazing, and he taught me everything I know. And I owe everything to him. And I tell him that often. I'll be like, you are so awesome. Thank you so much. I need to throw something new here. Yeah. March 1st. Today is the 15th of March, Wednesday, halfway through the week. Whoa, those are big wicks to that zone. Yeah, I know, right? You see this little box? It's crazy. Yep. All right, it's 10:22. I'm probably going to get off of here. WTI is the type of oil. That's what I figured. I thought I had seen it before, but yeah, I don't trade that oil. I trade crude oil, so CL. No, he's too busy. Aw. Laura said she got the drop. Got the drop from the bottom to the chop. 180. I'm done for the day on manual. Good job, Laura. I'm so proud of you. Good job. We have a private student call every morning. Listen, the best teach you and then the best come back around. What about U-Soil? No, what's that? Is that like some type of soil product? I mostly do the indices, honestly. And then I like gold and I like crude oil. And that's it. Platinum's pretty cool. Natural gas I can't get a hold of for some reason. I don't know what it is. But yeah. All right, I'm probably going to head off of here. It's 10:24 and I need to figure out this NinjaTrader box situation. I'll see you guys tomorrow, again, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time every day. If you have questions, please email me. My admin will respond right away. And yeah, remember the Apex sale ends on Tuesday. So if you want to get in using Apex, that 80% off code, SAVE80. And we prefer the $50,000 account. So, all right, have a good day. Bye.